Hello, hi guys, welcome you all to the DevOps Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. I am here on the Chrome browser. Let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/practice, hit enter. I directly got this tasks UI because I auto set my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. Let me click on the start button just besides the 100 days of DevOps headline. And today is day 19. We will see how to install and configure web application task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. We got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look into the solution. Xfusion Corp Industries is planning to host 2 static websites on their infra in Stratos data center. The development of this website is still in progress, but we want to get the servers ready. Please perform the following steps to accomplish the task. Install HTTPD package and dependencies on App Server 2. Apache should serve on port 8087. There are 2 websites backups /home/star/ecommerce and /home/star/apps and jump host. Set them up on Apache in a way that e-commerce should work on the link http://localhost:8087/ecommerce/ and apps should work on the link http://localhost:8087/apps/ on the mentioned app server. Once configured, you should be able to access the website using curl command on the respective app server. That is curl http://localhost:8087/ecommerce/ and curl http://localhost:8087/apps/. Alright, so by default I'm here on the jump host. Let me click on these details of all user and servers button to get the App Server 2 login details. Let me copy this password. Steve is the user and stapp02 is the server name. SSH Steve @stapp02, enter, type yes and paste the password. Let me become the sudo user, paste it, enter. So now I logged into App Server 2 as a root user. So here our task is to set up the website. For that we need to install HTTPD package and its dependencies in App Server 2. Apache port should be 8087. Let me check what is the OS distribution. cat etc/OS-release. So it is CentOS. For CentOS we can use yum package, yum install httpd-y. If we give -y, it will automatically install. It will not wait for us. Let it install. Meanwhile, let me click on this plus tab here. So here they mentioned there are 2 website backups, home tar e-commerce and home tar apps and jump host. So let me see what is there. ls cd apps ls-l. So we have index.html, cat index.html. This is the sample website for our app website. Let me go to cd e-commerce, cat index.html. So this is the things. So we are going to copy this to the temp directory of our App Server 2. So for that we are going to use the SCP protocol. So SCP and then ~e-commerce/index.html. So we are going to move it into the Steve user stapp02:tmp, enter. So we need to give the password of our Steve user. Let me copy from here. paste it, enter. So we have copied. Let me come to terminal 1. So here HTTPD installation completed. Let me go to tmp ls. See here we can able to see index.html. Let me create folders just to be things to be clear. mkdir, e-commerce and apps. So what we copied right now, we copied from e-commerce, right? So let me move this index.html to e-commerce ls. See, nothing is visible. Now let me go to terminal 2. So from here, let me copy data from apps. So earlier we copied e-commerce data, right? Now let me copy apps data. So within tmp we have apps directory. And let me paste the password. Copy it. Paste it here. Enter. Permission denied. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me remove it. Enter. Paste it. Work. Let me come to server. So from within the server, we can able to see index.html. Let me move it to the apps directory. Enter. Yeah, now we have successfully moved. Now let me check the Apache port. So for that we need to give vi/etc httpd/conf/httpd.conf. This is the default path where we will be having our Apache's configuration file. Search for listen keyword. So within this listen, so it is by default on the 80 port. Let me make it as 8087. Escape :x, enter. Systemctl, restart httpd. Systemctl status httpd. httpd is up and running. Now let me try to curl it http://localhost:8087/e-commerce. See, requested URL was not found on this server. So we have not yet configured this URL. To configure this URL, let me show you. So we need to go to the /var/www/html. So this is the path where we will be having our website data. If we are using Apache as our web server, so this is the path where we will be keeping our website data. See, we can't able to find anything. Here let me create two directories, mkdir apps, another one is e-commerce. Now let me move the data from tmp / and then apps/index.html to the present where we are right now, and then the apps. Enter. Now let me go to cd apps ls. It's not copied. Let me go to cd/tmp/apps ls. Let me exit as a root user. Now let me go to temp directory cd/tmp ls. We have apps here, cd apps ls. All right, it seems like data is not copied properly into the apps directory. Now let me do this mv/tmp/e-commerce and then star. So star means all the data whatever it is inside the e-commerce will be moved. So where we need to move, where www/html/e-commerce. Enter. Permission denied. Let me become the sudo user. And then let me give the password of Steve. Now it is moved. Let me see it once. HTML slash e-commerce plus. Okay. Now we can able to see the data here. CD apps. So here we have no data. Let me go back to terminal 2 again. Let me copy the data again from the jump host. What we are going to do is from apps directory, index.html should be moved to the temp directory of our Steve user. Let me copy the password, paste it here, enter. It is moved. Let me go to terminal 1. So from here, let me go to cd slash tmp ls. Index.html is there. Let me move it. Index.html to app directory. Sudo mv index.html to apps. Now let me move this data to the mv slash apps to the. I'm going to move it to where www slash html slash apps. Cannot move no such file data. We are getting data from temp directory, right? So I'm trying from the Steve user's home directory, which is wrong. Now let me go to cd where www slash html slash apps ls. Let me check what is the permissions here. Less -l should be root. We have to keep it Apache user so that it will be worked. Otherwise, we will be getting error again. Sudo ch1 -r and then username is Apache. Group is Apache. So for the where slash www slash html ls-l. See, now Apache is the user and Apache is the root. Now let me do the systemctl restart httpd sudo systemctl restart httpd. We need to run it as a sudo user. Sudo systemctl status httpd. Our Apache server is up and running. Now let me try to do the curl http://localhost 8087 /e-commerce/enter. See sample website for our e-commerce website. And let me replace here e-commerce with the apps. See, this is sample page for our apps websites. This is how we will configure websites and the particular port and index pages. Alright, so now let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it right. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.